Alrighty guys, so we're on our way to the shop. Alex just picked up a old school Honda Fat Cat. We're pretty excited to go check it out. This is probably going to be a full restoration build, so stay tuned. We're going to insert a clip of him actually going to check this thing out at the guy's property.
Currently in the middle of nowhere, south of Tucson, trying to buy this Fat Cat. No idea where I'm at. I might be lost, but hey, it's gonna be fun, right? I said he would be outside. Let's see. I think this is it. Oh, definitely it. Yeah, there's all kinds of stuff. All kinds of three-wheelers.
Alright guys, welcome to the channel.
Oh, here it is. Could use some new tires, the guy says. Says the bowl sticks sometimes, but we'll make it right. There's all kinds of toys too.
God, Arizona's so nice. Everyone asks why I moved here. It's so nice out. Should be here any minute. Super excited to see if this thing even runs. Comment if you guys think we should just take this thing to the local ride spot and just send it and ride the hell out of it before we restore it. I'm curious what your guys' thoughts are on that. But either way, eventually it's going to be completely torn down, fully stripped, powder coated, complete restoration. Things gonna look brand new when we're done. But let's see what we can do with it right now. Oh, there it is. This is exciting. So he knew who we were?
Yep.
He knew who we were?
Yep.
That's awesome. There it is, guys. This thing's a beaut. Obviously been spray bomb painted. Did it run or no?
Started right up with the first kick.
No way.
That's what I said.
So I'm gonna ride it right now then. I think I gotta try it, if it'll run.
Start right up and it idle just fine.
Hell yeah. Well, I appreciate you going to grab it after hours. Just made my whole day. California title. You came with the title. What is this thing? 87. Hell yeah.
He said he was riding it, it's just he likes his ATC better.
So what's the story? This guy knew who we were. Goes on our YouTube.
I told him to see all the ATCs out there when we did 3-wheel conversions for modern dirt bikes.
Yeah.
Oh, you guys used to be down from New York, huh? I follow you guys on YouTube.
That's awesome.
Oh, okay. He said he wants to buy one.
That's cool.
He said he's looking forward to seeing this thing restored.
Wow. Let's see if it runs. Wow.
He said the bowl's a little sticky.
light works. Little walk around action.
That is definitely old.
This thing's gonna get the full treatment. So.
What year is it?
87, I believe.
87, wow. Damn.
Yeah, this thing, it's all there. Like I said, it's gonna make good restoration.
Yeah.
So the question is, should we take this thing out to the desert, hit some jumps with it, and actually test it out first?
Oh, God.
Yes, the answer is always yes. I already told Jerry I had to send it.
Is it painted camo?
Oh yeah, it's just sprayed on.
Oh.
It's alright.
I was saying it almost just looks like it chipped.
We'll get it off.
Yeah.
Plastic doesn't look to be really cracked.
I can't believe it runs though. It's awesome.
That's the beauty of this thing. Just rip all the paint off, wet sand it. Powderproof the whole frame. Wheels, obviously.
Sweet.
I don't know if this is gold or if this is dirt. It must be dirt. Yeah, 'cause those are white wheels.
Yeah, you can tell white.
Yeah, comes right off.
Yeah. Huh.
Nice.
Well, I guess we should just start by washing it and then go from there.
That's pretty much it. Cool. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I know that was kind of a short video. I was excited, so I wanted to get the ball rolling on this thing and I guess show you guys what we're up to after hours. So if you guys have any vintage motocross bikes, ATVs, three-wheelers, give us a call, 518-563-3699. I'm probably not going to pay top dollar for them because I usually buy them in that condition, you know, or they need a full restoration, but that's what we like to do on top of everything else that we do. So anyway, guys, appreciate the follows and the subscriptions and all the shares of our videos. We wouldn't be here without you guys. Check out BVCOffroad.com to check out some products that we make. Thanks, guys. Have a good night.